osxmountainlion cannot select disk to install on when using VirtualBox. I want to install osxmountainlion in VirtualBox, but I am having a problem. Every time I run the install, I can't get past the selected disk to install screen. I always hangs like this. What's the problem? I am running Windows 8.1 Pro x64 as the host, and have VirtualBox 4.3.4. When the installer utility loaded, I selected the Reinstall OS X option.
The problem is that you have a virtual disk that still don't have any partition on it, disk in terms of Windows file system. To fix that, do the following. Go to menu Install osxmountainlion and GT, Quit Install osx. Select Disk Utility. Select your disk on the left side. If you can't find the disk, click on the button near the top left, then select the Show All Disks option. Select Erase tab on the right side. Format, macos extended, journaled. Name, give it a name. Click Erase. This will create a partition on your disk drive. Quit Disk Utility and continue with installation as you did.
If you want to support the channel, please consider subscribing.